I just connected cold emails directly to Claude, and now AI manages the entire outreach for me. I'm going to type create me a cold email campaign called SaaS Founders with 2 emails spread over 1 week. Personalize each one using their first name, company and job title. And boom, it just built an entire 2 touchpoint outreach sequence for me with the different step days, the focus of each email, and even drafted the company and subject lines using personalization tag to keep things relevant. And inside our Smartlead account, here is our full campaign. 2 steps across 1 week, and the copy and merge text are also on point according to our campaign focus. This setup will save me hours every single week. So let me show you how you can do this. We are going to use Smartlead MCP server. Smartlead is your all-in-one cold email platform where you can connect unlimited mailboxes, run unlimited warm-ups, build email sequence, and track and open reply rates all under one platform. And with the MCP server, you can now connect Smartlead directly to AI tools like Claude, Cursor, and more. Plus, you also get access to over 150 tools for campaign management, lead tracking, deliverability, and analytics. So head over to your Smartlead account, click on Settings, and you will find your API key. Copy that, then open your Claude desktop application, click on Settings, and click on Edit Configure File. So we need to open this JSON file and paste this command by replacing your API key from here. Now restart your Claude desktop application in order to load our Smartlead MCP server. Then again click on Settings, go to Developer mode, and you will find a local MCP server of Smartlead running successfully. And now you can chat with AI and it will create, manage, and track your entire cold outreach campaign for you. For instance, I have typed, can you let me know all of my emails health? So as you can see, it is calling our Smartlead MCP server to fetch all of the records, get the email warm-up status, and it just pull every single email account, group them by health score, and flag the one that are at risk or their spam rates are much higher. You can see exactly which accounts are healthy, which one are in warning, and which one needs a fix right now. All of this without you having to click through a single dashboard. So if you are running an agency, you can also even ask to pull performance for each of your clients, compute open and reply rates, and it will give you a top and bottom performance analysis. Basically, your entire weekly reporting can be done in seconds right away inside Claude. And this works for everything: troubleshooting, deliverability, adding prospect to campaigns, checking your sequence performance, optimizing send times, and much more.